Hey YouTube family, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another day in my crazy life. It's awesome that we're getting ready for Memorial Day weekend. We're getting ready for Memorial Day because today is Sunday. But just gonna take you along with me because I still have some of that last minute shopping to do to get ready for the big party tomorrow. Woohoo! Girls are graduating from junior high going into high school, so we gotta celebrate that big moment, And I'm just gonna take you through my day today, and we'll see what happens because I got some shopping. Gotta take my hubby to work. Gotta take my oldest daughter to work. Drop her off. Drop him off. Get some shopping done. Take the other little people over to my sister's for a sleepover after church, and that's about it. So come along with your girl. Don't forget, subscribe. If you don't have a problem with watching cleaning, getting motivated to do stuff, shenanigans and foolishness, subscribe because you're going to get all of that here on this channel. Smash that like button. For all my returning subscribers, you know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Hey fam, what's good? How y'all feeling? I sound a little different because I actually got sick. And you know how it is when one person in your house gets sick and you got a big family, it just trickles on down. Well, it trickled on down. I think I got sick because of all the extra cold weather that was happening. Because it was cold, it was hot, then it got cold, then it was ridiculous over here. But anyway, in this video, you're going to see me cleaning, pretty much cleaning everything. I did all of this on Sunday, and then the party happened on Monday. So this is past Memorial Day, so you all will be seeing this after Memorial Day. But all this work took place on Sunday after I took my husband and my daughter to work. And in the midst of picking everybody up and so on and so forth, I was up till 3 o'clock Monday morning with cleaning, cooking, and getting everything ready for my girls for their little graduation party. And I don't know, but some of you do know that my mom passed away April of last year, right at the shutdown. So I hadn't had a party or a get together or done anything fun pretty much since she passed away, because my mom was the life of the party. She was the best. And I said, you know what, I feel like having a party. I want to have a party. And what better party to have than to celebrate the fact that my girls have graduated out of junior high. They're on the last leg of their adventure. They're going to high school. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I did to prepare for that. So I want y'all to sit back, relax, chill. If you're going to clean with me, clean with me. To all my new subscribers that I just got, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And let me introduce myself. My name is Bethany. I am a wife and a mom. I have 7 kids. 6 of them are at home. 1 is away with his fiance. And they're doing their thing. I cook, I clean, I tend my children, I tend my house, I tend my husband. That's why my channel is just not one thing. If you need motivation for anything, you can come to my channel and find it. You can get anything and everything that you need here at my channel. So, if you continue to like that, please smash that like button and let YouTube know that I'm here to stay and I'm not going away. And thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And again, to my returning subscribers, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Thank you. And I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. You know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it. Now, for all my folks out there that are the cooks in the family, you all know what it is that I'm making. Let me know down in the comments if you know what it is that I'm making. I'm making late night tonight, getting ready for the fam and for the kids. Let a sister know if y'all know how it is to be up till 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning preparing certain things, getting it ready for the next day, because you're having that big party and that family coming by.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
So because of the music, which is copyrighted, I can't really play the conversations that we're having on the porch, because you can still hear the music. So, but these are portions of my family. My daughter making her gang signs, throwing up gang signs. Gang, gang, gang. Danielle, she's the other one. Those two are like peas in a pod. That's my niece, Charlie. And you'll see my nephew, Danny. You'll see my sister. You'll see my other two girls. And then somewhere in this, you're going to see my husband. You're going to see Nana. Now, there's a picture of my daughter and her Nana. And I took this picture because my daughter is 14. and she is towering over her nana. Her nana is 70 something, I'm not sure. But she's like towering over her nana. It was like, Nana, you shrunk. Yeah, and my husband being silly right there. There's Nana jamming. She is getting it. Go ahead, Nana. So, y'all tell me what you think. Make sure you smash that like. If you all made it this far in the video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you let a sister know what's the deal. Is she doing a good job? Y'all appreciating the videos? Leave a comment down below. Say hi. Introduce yourself. Let me know you watching. Let me know what you are enjoying and everything. And thank you for watching the video to this part. And you all have a great and fantastic and wonderful and blessed week.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make